In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add music on a Canva video. Start by opening Canva in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side and click Create. This is where you start a new design. Next, scroll down until you find the Videos section. Click it, and Canva will show you video design options and templates. If you're a beginner, this helps because it opens a workspace that's already formatted for video editing. Now choose any video design you like. You can pick a blank video if you want to build everything yourself, or select a template if you want a ready-made layout. Once you click one, Canva will open the video editor. From here, add your video to the project. In many Canva layouts, you'll see a media area or a section where you can drag and drop your video. If your video isn't already in Canva, go to the left panel and click Uploads. The Upload section is where Canva stores your own files, including videos, images, and audio. After that, click Videos inside the Uploads area if it's available, and you should see your uploaded video there. If you haven't uploaded it yet, use the Upload option first, then wait a moment for the file to finish processing. Once it's ready, click or drag the video into your canvas. You should now see your video placed in the editor. Now it's time to add music. Click. Add audio if that option appears in your project. This opens Canva's audio area so you can attach sound to your video. Depending on your Canva version, you may also need to use the Upload section to add your own music file, so don't worry if the button placement looks slightly different. Next, click Uploads again in the left panel, then click Upload Files. This lets you bring in audio from your computer. Choose the music file you want to use and wait for it to upload. Common beginner mistake here. Make sure you're selecting an audio file, not another video file, or the wrong media will be added to the project. Once the upload finishes, click the music file to add it to your video. You should see it appear on the timeline as an audio track. That's how you know Canva has attached the music successfully. At this point, it's a good idea to preview the video. Press play and listen to make sure the music starts where you want it and matches the video length. If needed, you can drag the audio track on the timeline to reposition it or trim it so it doesn't continue too long. If your original video already has sound, listen carefully to how both audio sources work together. You may want to lower one of them so the music doesn't overpower the original sound. This makes the final video much easier to watch and listen to. Finally, once everything sounds right, you're ready to export your video. And that's how you add music on a Canva video. Thanks for watching.